Hello everyone, this is Mark Leibovit of the Leibovit VR newsletters, and this is a Metastock VR tutorial here from Monday, April 6th. We're going to be looking at the S&P Spiders, SPY. First, Metastock, as a reminder, does offer a 30-day trial on my Leibovit volume reversal toolkit, which includes 3 versions of the volume reversal: my sequential, which posts all VRs, positive and negative; the directional version, which filters out repetitive VRs; and we created that 2-day version, which basically works on the premise that following a negative or positive VR, you tend to get a movement in a couple days in the direction of the volume reversal. So don't forget about signing up here. It's a great tool, and as many of you know who follow my videos, I've been doing this for several decades. We have several products here at Leibovit volume reversal newsletters, VR newsletters. We have our silver newsletter, which is our general market commentary; our platinum, which includes that plus specific recommendations; our VR gold letter, which covers commodities, in particular the precious metals and crude oil; our annual forecast model is our annual cyclical forecast for the major markets. We have our new vice letter, which is sin stocks, and anything ranging from alcohol to cigarettes, including the new cannabis stocks; and of course our book, the Trader's Book of Volume. Looking at the S&P Spiders, we've been in a negative pattern here since early March, when a Leibovit negative VR was formed here on March 3rd. As you know, if you follow my thinking here, I keep this pretty simple. If I have a 533 stochastic in a downtrend and negative VR, that tells me we're going lower. Conversely, a positive VR with a rising 533 stochastic would get me long. Here's one back here on February 10th, and it didn't turn positive until this point here, a day or so later, but that would have been confirmation, and there was a little bit of a play here. It's not carved in stone, but it gives me a little benchmark to look at. So bottom line is we've had 3 negative VRs here since March. Generally, I tend to look for a low in the March time frame or a change of direction in the March time frame, and so far it appears to be a high in early March rather than an anticipated low point, thinking that you rally into an April or May peak. The old sell May, go away thinking comes into play there. So until we get some positive volume here, and or we can clear all this resistance, you have to be a bit cautious here in the market. That could change quickly. Janet Yellen could come out with QE4, which I do expect is coming at some point. Things aren't so great out there despite the economic numbers that are telling you otherwise. Of course, if you read my letter, you know my thinking along those lines. But the Fed has been targeting a higher market, and they may pull out all stops here and just take off. The market may just take off to the upside here, and we'll, hopefully at that point we'll generate the volume patterns to confirm. So appreciate you checking in. It's Mark Leibovit of Leibovit VR Newsletters. Don't forget to sign up for the free month trial if you haven't done so already here on Metastock. Thanks again.